Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to all for today's social class. In last class, we learned about location of Australia and extent of Australia and physical divisions of Australia and river systems in Australia. Is it? In today's class, we will see climate and natural vegetations of Australia. Got it? Climate and natural vegetation. Let us see now first climate. As mentioned earlier, the Tropic of Capricorn passes through the middle of the continent. You know already, I said already, the Tropic of Capricorn passes through the middle of the Australian continent. Is it? Hence, the climate of Australia is tropical and subtropical. High temperature prevails throughout the year in a large part of the continent. A cold ocean current along the western coast has made Western Australia a hot desert, and northern areas experiences monsoon climate, and the southern coast experiences Mediterranean type of climate. As a winter season, due to its location in the southern hemisphere, the seasons of Australia are opposite to those of the northern hemisphere. When it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in Australia. Got it? Listen. When it is summer in the north hemisphere, it is winter in Australia. Winter extends from June to August. In Australia continent, the winter season extends from June to August month. Got it? During this season, the temperature is low and it decreases southward, but the pressure is high. The winds blow from the land towards sea. Listen, the winds means air. Got it? Winds means what? Air. The winds blow from the land towards sea. Got it? They do not bring much rain. Got it? They do not bring much rain because the winds are blow from land towards sea. So the time the rain is very less. The climate during this season is dry and hot, but in Tasmania is quite different. See, summer season, the period from December to February is considered as summer season. Listen, dear students, the period from December to February is considered as summer season in Australia. High temperature and low humidity are the chief characteristics of this season. What are the chief or important characteristics or features of summer season in Australia? High temperature and low humidity are the main or chief characteristics of Australian continent. Got it? The temperature is higher in West Australia than in East Australia. It is moderate in the southeastern parts of Tasmanian Island. Pressure is low in inland areas. So, the winds blow from the sea to the land and bring a little rain. The south and southeastern parts of the continent receive more rainfall during this season. Listen, dear students, during the summer season, the south and southeastern parts of Australian continent receives more rainfall. Got it? The cyclone in Australia are known as Willy Willies. Listen, dear students, the cyclones in Australia, they are called as Willy Willies. Got it? In general, rainfall in Australia is like the monsoon type, which is unreliable both in time and space. The annual rainfall over southeastern, northern, and southwestern coastal areas is more than 75 centimeters. But how many centimeters? 75 centimeters rainfall. It is below 25 centimeters in the largest interior desert of Australia. Let us see now natural vegetation. The scarcity of dense forest is the distinguishing feature of Australia. Most of the continent is covered with grasslands, shrubs, and open woodlands. Listen, dear students. Most of the Australia continent is covered with grassland. Grasslands means you know, right? Shrubs. Shrubs means what we called in Kannada podegadu, right? It is called as shrubs and open woodlands. It reflects the climate of Australia. The different types of vegetation in Australia are as follows. Let us see now different types of vegetation in Australia continent. The first one is tropical forest. They are found in the northern and northeastern coastal areas of Australia. They occupy a very small area which is patchy, and palm, ash, leech and cedar are the important trees. What are the important trees found in tropical forest? Patchy, palm, ash, leech and cedar are the important trees we will found in tropical forest. Got it? Now see temperate forest. They are mostly found in the mountainous and hilly areas of Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria and Tasmania. Got it? Where we will found temperate forest in Australia continent, hilly areas of Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria and Tasmania. They are also known as a hilly forest. The important trees are eucalyptus, acacia, pine, and calitras. Eucalyptus is mainly used for oil and paper making. Listen, dear students, the eucalyptus tree is used for mainly oil and paper making. Got it? See grasslands. There are two types of grasslands found in Australia continent. Let us see now. First one, tropical grassland savanna and temperate grassland downs. Let us see now one by one. The first one is located to the west of the Eastern Highlands of Queensland, central parts of North Australia and northern parts of West Australia. This is called savanna grassland. In Australia continent, where we will find the savanna grasslands, listen, west of the Eastern Highlands in Queensland, central part of North Australia and northern part of West Australia. We can see savanna grasslands. Got it? The second one is C. The later one is largely found in Murray-Darling Basin. This is the temperate grasslands of is known as downs. It is used for pastoral activity. In these grasslands, tussock, myrtle, and astrable grass species are found. The tussock grasslands are the best for sheep rearing. Listen, dear students, in a downs grassland, the tussock grassland is an best for sheep rearing. Got it? See, observe picture, that is savanna grasslands. Observe. Yes. See, observe another picture, the downs grassland, page number 123. Downs grasslands. This grassland is suitable for sheep rearing in Australia continent. Got it? Let us see now shrublands. These occupy the southern and western parts of Western Australia, the southern part of South Australia, the western part of New South Wales, and a small area in southern Queensland. Shrubs are common due to scanty rainfall. Acacia is the dominant eucalyptus trees are scattered. Cactus and thorny plants are more in the arid parts. Listen, dear students, in shrublands we will see eucalyptus trees and scattered cactus and thorny plants we will see in shrublands. Got it? Let us see fifth one, desert vegetation. This type of vegetation is found in the central and eastern parts of Western Australia, where the rainfall is very scanty and cactus, saltbush, grass, and many other thorny bushes grow. They have special devices to withstand the dry desert climate. Listen, dear student, the desert vegetation. This type of vegetation is found in the central and eastern part of Western Australia, where the rainfall is very scanty. Scanty means less or low. Got it? Cactus, saltbush grass, and many other thorny bushes grow in desert vegetation. Got it? They have special devices to withstand the dry desert climate. See, observe the picture. Ash tree, cedar tree. Okay. Let us see now wildlife. The wildlife of Australia is strange and unique. In Australia, the wildlife is very strange and unique. Unique means different. The important carnivorous mammals of Australia are the dingo or wild dog, numbat, quail, and Tasmanian devil. Marsupials includes kangaroos, wallabies, koala, and umbat. Kangaroo is the national animal. Which is the national animal of Australia? Kangaroo is a national animal of Australia. Got it? They travel by hopping on their long hind legs. Monotone egg-laying animals are platypus, echidna, etc. The most distinctive is platypus, a water-dwelling animal. It gives birth by laying eggs. When the eggs hatch, the baby platypus feed on the milk secreted from two patches of skin midway along the mother belly. The echidna or spiny and termites eater is another monotreme. There are a variety of birds which include emu, Kosovaris, black swan, fiery penguin, kookaburra, airbird, and currawongs. Koala means resembling a teddy bear. Emu is a large flightless bird, which is a large flightless bird in the world. Emu. Got it? Kookaburras are the best known for their immense sounding laughter. Lyre bird resembles the beautiful peacock. Snakes and poisonous reptiles are common. See, observe the pictures, dear students. They give kangaroo, wallabies, dingo, koala, emu, lyrebird. These are the different or unique animal wealth in Australian continent. Got it, dear students? This is today's topic. Okay. If you have any doubts in today's topic, you can come and ask at any time. Okay. And today's homework is you need to make any 5 own questions in today's topic. What I done today in the topic, you need to make any 5 own questions. Okay, and send it in group. Okay, dear students, thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you all.